Embrace the rhythm of the earth, where every act of conservation echoes a commitment to our planet's future. Celebrate the gifts of nature, from the air we breathe to the peace of verdant spaces, and nurture them in return. Adopt sustainable habits that protect and preserve, ensuring a balance that benefits both humanity and nature. Join in creating a legacy of harmony, where our respect for the earth enhances our collective well-being. For more daily doses of inspiration, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Stay inspired.